Max, Raspberry Pi is receiving some new investment from a familiar name. Sony Semiconductor Solutions Corporation is pouring some money into everyone's favorite single board computer in an effort to spur adoption of their AITRIOS platform for edge AI sensors. Is this a story about Sony, or is this about the strength of the Raspberry Pi at the edge?
Well, it's a really interesting story here, and I do think that it is more about Raspberry in the end because the platform is so popular and almost so universal. You can run pretty much everything there. It is compact, and I mean it has so many advantages. I'm sure that many of us, you, I, and some of our listeners here also use and tinker with that. That it is more about there is this ecosystem which already exists, which is very vibrant, and by pouring in the money into that ecosystem, they can very easily get to present the product. So definitely, there's the angle of them, fostering or spurring adoption, as you say, but in the end, they will not be able to do anything without the let's say the footprint that Raspberry has. I mean, if I look at it, almost everything and their dog and their cat is kind of running on the Raspberry these days, So I think that's kind of the bottom of the story here for me.